pretty. Lovely out here. $17.41. I think it's a big circular driveway. Wow, 2 gates. That's impressive. Okay, it looks like they own a bit of land. I'm gonna go up and talk to them. Okay. This says 1730. Oh, I see what I've done. I've been here. Oh, I'm back here again. Okay, I know this place. I was here already. How come it wasn't in my history? Oh well. And that girl's not here. Veronica. Yeah, no, I know this place quite well, actually. I was parked over there. Nobody's had a fire since I was here. All right, I forgot the guy's name. Shoot. Okay, let's get set up. Let's go talk to him first. Go back to my old spot. Good morning. Oh, I slept in. And it was such a hot night last night, so I had a nice shower. And the host that's here on my last night of the Harvest Hosts tour says that I can fill up my fresh water tank. So because it's Sunday, I can't dump my other tanks, my holding tanks. But I'm okay. I have space till tomorrow. But I have nowhere to go. So I'm going to use Overlander and go find myself a spot for the night. Somewhere hopefully close to water, because I'm running low on drinking water and I want to use my my new little gadget for drinking water before it runs out of warranty, because I haven't used it. I've had it like 2 months and I've never used it. So I'd like to do that. But anyway, scorching hot day today. Humidex's going to be up near 40, but the actual temperature I think calls for around 32. But the humidity is just off the charts. So, all right, let's get going. Let's get on the road. And I'm almost packed up. I got still quite a bit to do, but that's fine. No big deal. Maybe it'll be 12 minutes instead of 11 this time. Oh, that is warm. It's so warm. So I think I'm gonna go down along. Let me get this sorted here. I think I'm gonna go down here because there seems to be like 8 or 9 of them all really close to one another. I don't know what town, if any, that is. Let me just check. It's not very far from here. You see, this is where we are now, up there, just north of Lakefield. So I'm probably going to end up coming through Lakefield and coming down in here. There's a lot of spots here. I think I'd like to check on a couple of them. Oh, there's one up here too. Not very far from me, but I want to go down here. Okay, we're off. So it's only actually, as it turns out, about 20 minutes away. So I think what I'll do is go have a look at it. If it's a case of a parking lot where it's really busy all day and everything, or maybe just going and, I know there's one spot where you can pay $15. I don't think you get hookups for $15, but you can go in and camp and at least your spot's there and you've got your privacy and so on. It's Sunday, so a lot of the weekenders, I think, would be going home. That's the beauty of living off-road is, during the week, you pretty much have run of wherever you're going, right? But I think on the weekends, that's when you kind of gotta hunker down and just find a spot, and especially now in Canada with everybody staying like in Canada and not traveling as much, a lot of people are choosing to have their vacations here instead of going, down south or whatever. So it's so busy. Like I went to book a campground, and well, you remember because I had to keep moving 10 spots. Like, so one night in one spot, 2 nights in another spot. I basically had to just take bits and pieces, and it's all I could get really on such a short notice. Cute little puppy. Hi, bud. What you doing? Oh, okay. Wants to be with his mom and dad. So there are some public bathrooms. They're down here. I'm going to go look. I'm going to walk. And, I mean, let's see. Let's see what they got. I have a feeling I'm supposed to be down here, but there's no way I'm going to get through here with these branches. Look at how close I came to that branch. Damn. Two more feet, I would have hit it. Not good. I thought I had lots of room, but I don't. Let's just get out. Okay, this has potential. This has a lot of potential. I'm liking it, especially the more we get off this highway, the quieter it gets. Ooh, there's a spot right there. You know what? I might take that spot. Is this? This looks interesting. Oh man, the heat just hits you. You know what? If this is like a little dead end or something, because the last thing I'd want is to get in here, get all set up, and then find out it's a road that people use. No, never mind. It is a dead end though. Oh my, you know what? This is not bad right here. Look at this. I could pull in right here. Check this out. Or even up top here. You know? Come right over here in this area. I'd have to run my generator, but that's okay. I got some gas. It's that one branch there I got to deal with. Yeah, I don't know. How thick is that branch? Wonder if I could swing beside it. Yeah, that branch will do some damage for sure. Okay, it doesn't look damaged. That was close. You know, you would think with 3 feet of clearance off the ground that it wouldn't be a big deal, but it was. Yeah, so this is definitely going on the map, but I'm also at the same time, I checked inside. Look at this. Oh, sorry. That is really nice right there. Down in that little gully. Yeah, it's like 40 degrees in the back inside. That's insane. Like, I'm just not going to fight 40 degrees. 40 degrees, I think, doubled it and add 32. It's about 110, 112 degrees. And that's crazy. I didn't realize it was that hot out today. But, uh-oh. Big branch. You really got to keep an eye out for that here. Like when you have these kind of rigs, you got to really watch what's overhead. Like Oh, that hit. That's going to hit. Yikes. I can't just keep doing that. Eventually, it's going to come back to bite me. Okay, it's been a while since I've been here. Like, I don't know, 30 years maybe. Oh, good. They have a dump station. That's good news. Anyways, I gotta get on my phone here and look at my reservation and find out which site I'm on. Oh my God, the heat. As soon as you get out, it's like, whew, boom. Yep, 14. So it's a drive-through site. Oh my God, I'm not going to be able to. Is that my power source way over there? I don't have enough room to reach it. I don't have enough cord to reach it. I had no idea. And if I go over here, I'm going to be uneven. I think it might be smart for me to buy an extension cord for my 30 amp, because this is just not going to work. All my hookups are on the left side, so I'm going to see if I can pull in tight and do it. 33. That's not bad, actually. So yeah, we are at McCrae, what's called McCrae Point Provincial Park on Lake Simcoe, and that's where we're going. And I'm going to go into Aurelia to a Costco. It's about a 10-minute drive from here. Aurelia is at the top end. And then I should only have maybe, I don't know, 15, 20-minute drive to get over to Brecken to this farm. It's like a farm or something, I think. It's supposed to be really pretty. So we'll maybe get the drone up for that, check that out. And I look forward to seeing my friends. I haven't seen Daryl, my friend Daryl and Ava. They went out to the East Coast for a while. So I'd love to hear their stories, because I want to go to Newfoundland next summer. I want to do the whole eastern thing. In fact, I wanted to go after this harvest hosts, I wanted to go out there. But I'm hearing the fires are really bad, out mostly in New Brunswick, and I think down even into Maine.